Hey y'all, Dedra J. Hugh here. I have a review on the electric spin scrubber. So let's just open it up, see what we got. And first of all, I'm shocked at all these attachments. But we also got a quick start guide for those of us that don't like to read the full instructions and we just like to get started. So here we are with the quick start guide. And also, they have the full instruction book. Look at all these attachments. Excited is an understatement. Y'all see these attachments? Ignore the ash on these hands. I'm cleaning. Okay. So they're going to be ashy. But look at all these attachments, y'all. Charger. Look at this. Get in the corners and stuff. Y'all. Okay. This actually pretty heavy duty. Um, just how it's not heavy, like too heavy to handle, but it's good quality. Like, at least it feels like it right now. And I haven't even got to use it yet. Then you get the little extender. Like, what? Just attach it here and bam, get to going. Okay, look at this. Look at it. Extended, hard to reach areas. Bam, bam, bam. The attachments. Line it up, attach it. Y'all, the thing came charged. Not fully charged, I guess, but it was moving pretty good, but of course we gotta test it on something. But yeah, it even had two speeds. Green for regular speed, yellow for even faster. But look at that. Velcro. So you can stick the other attachments on there. Come on now. Come. I know exactly what I'm gonna use this for. Mm-hmm. Y'all gonna have to watch. Yes. Got the little charger port, all of that. And it's pretty long. Actually, longer than I expected. Quick start guide. I'm just gonna look over there real quick. But let's get y'all going even faster. So give me a minute. Okay, so now we got the little instruction book, instruction guide. Tell you what all the colors mean, all of that. All of that jazz. Y'all ain't gotta look at the instruction book. You'll get it when you get it, cause you need to get it. And y'all will see why in a minute. Cause I gotta test this out. So let's just fast forward through this. Or let's skip it. How about that? So if y'all know me, y'all know I like to keep my boxes for my products. So that just make it easier to find it, store it, all of that. Just keep the box that it came in. Okay. So let's go and charge this thing up. Okay. So it does not come with the port, if you know what I'm saying, the block. But anyway, let's go ahead and get to the cleaning part. This is the exciting part. Y'all see how dirty this stove is? Uh-huh. Yeah. Get ready for this. 1 second. Okay, so y'all gonna have to watch my cleaning video for this part. But let's skip to the brush itself. Okay. I know it's not the brush. But I had to show y'all. I literally was using elbow grease and an SOS pad to try to get this, whatever it is, burnt spots off the steamer and everything. Trying to get these burnt spots off the stove. Okay. But it was barely budging. Okay. Barely budging. Then I had the bright idea. The spin scrubber. And y'all, I'm having fun. Cause this thing, you see. Do you see? Y'all, this thing literally, the electric spin scrubber literally work magic. Like, I was trying my best to get them spots clean and it wasn't working. But it saved my little stove. I still got a little spots. But the comparison to what it was, and the only reason I ain't finished, let me just say this. The only reason I didn't finish because it was 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay. I started too late and it was 1 o'clock in the morning. And I'm over it. Okay. I'm over all the cleaning. But I'm trying to put the kitchen back together now. All of that good jazz. But there's still the other side of the counter that's still dirty. Okay. You see where the electric spin scrubber is sitting. I haven't cleaned that side yet. So I'm gonna get over there and clean that side. Okay? So let's get that going. Okay, so I'm rinsing off my little electric spin scrubber and clearing the little area, the countertop, so I can get it to cleaning that. But first, I'm gonna get off what I can with this electric spin scrubber. Okay, y'all, this thing is a lifesaver, like for real, for real. And then you add, come on, all you need to add is your favorite cleaner. If you know you trying to disinfect and get the area clean, um, it's working. And it's not scratching the surface of my counters, my stove, nothing. It's not scratching it, but it is getting the area clean. Okay. It's getting the area clean. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm telling you, this thing is working. But anyway, let's just cut to the chase and get back to the scrubber, okay? Okay, like I said before, get your favorite cleaner, whatever type of cleaner you want to use, and then get your electric spin scrubber. Lifesaver. Oop, that's so powerful. It didn't threw the Alexa. That was my fault. I put it too close. So I done threw the whole Alexa with the spin scrubber. But that lets you know how powerful this thing is. I'm not playing. It's powerful. And I love it because all the little hard to reach areas and areas you don't want to scrub too hard, areas that be hurting your little back and stuff, or big back. Yeah, y'all see it. But anyway, we not here for that. We here for the electric spin scrubber. And it's a lifesaver, okay? Because it got it. It got it good. And the only thing I'm doing here is getting a little, making sure I'm feeling the little rough areas. And I'm getting it off, okay? And I'm skipping that little speck because, what is that? It's a fly, but I'm not gonna use my good sponge to clean it. But we're not talking about that right now. I'm gonna use my dirty sponge that I'm about to throw away and get that little fly. But anyway, we talking about the electric spin scrubber. Y'all, it's a lifesaver. I'm telling you. Go get you one, okay? Yeah, I just threw away the fly with the other thing. But yes, go get you one and let me show y'all the finished product. Okay, don't forget what it used to look like before you see the finished product. That's what it used to look like, y'all. Y'all see how messed up that is. That's horrible. That's horrible. Okay. And then, come on. Come. Y'all better get y'all one, okay? Don't say I didn't tell you. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.